Our roller coaster's name is Die DJA. We decided to make the first feature a hill because it will have more kinetic energy and it will go faster. The second feature is a hill because it will help to do a turn. Also, it has potential energy. The third and last feature is a turn because it has a hill before, so it could have more speed and go faster.
There is contact force between the tinfoil and the marble. This causes, if you make the tinfoil smoother, then the marble will go easier down. Gravity affects the marble by pulling it down, which causes the marble to pull down all the way. The friction between the tinfoil and the marble also causes the ball to go slower, but if we also smooth it down, it will go down faster without no problem. But if we don't, friction will mess up our roller.
The roller coaster car has the most potential energy at the beginning. Because it's where it starts. The roller coaster has the most kinetic at the middle because it has like a huge hill which makes it have a lot of energy. As the car goes down, the first hill, the potential energy changes to a kinetic. During the roller coaster, some energy is lost as it stops because of the way the roller coaster was.
Where the least potential energy has is right here, but where the most potential energy is here. When you let the marble go down, the potential energy turns into a kinetic energy while it goes down. The least kinetic energy is when it's going through here, because when there's the most potential and it turns into kinetic, that's where it has more kinetic because it's higher, and the most kinetic energy is through here. An example of Newton's first law of motion is when the roller coaster is at the end of its stops. Because the roller coaster stops and sometimes the people in the car move forward. An example of Newton's second law of motion is when a roller coaster is at the amount of mass, because it could make it go faster or slower. An example of Newton's third law of motion is when a roller coaster is in the turn, because when the car is moving, it has more action and reaction.
Try it again. Oh my goodness.
When does contact or friction occur? I said that.
I don't know. Why did you only get out of tinfoil?
Because we thought that it would look more interesting and it would go faster if we move it down, and we wanted to make it longer and
It will look different from other roller coasters.
I have a question personally. Is this, when the 4 bar is supposed to be the station? No. So what is it supposed to be?
It's the edge of the roller coaster.
No further questions.
Is it a water slide?
It could be both.
It is.
Last question. Why did you decide to build it like that? Can you explain why you think people who ride the roller coaster would like it?
Because it is, it's like mysteriously because it's only made out of tin foil and yeah. Okay.
Why did you name it whatever it's called? Die DJA?
Oh, we called it Die DJA because our first name is Diana, Jocelyn, and Andreina, so Die DJA.
Okay. Thank you very much.